कर रहे हैं। चलिए लेकिन सीधे चलते हैं इस समय ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स समिट में, वहां पर मुकेश अंबानी जी अब बात करेंगे, उनके भाषण पर गौर करते हैं। सीधे चलते हैं।
मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी, distinguished dignitaries, my fellow colleagues from industry, ladies and gentlemen, मेरे नमस्कार, मेरे प्रणाम आप सभी को। I am personally privileged and delighted to be at my first Global Investor Summit, and what an inspirational morning it has been for me. Shri Shivraj Singh Ji's vision and our Prime Minister's vision, and after a long time I feel that India is on a resurgent path to growth. So Shivraj Singh Ji, thank you for really an inspirational evening. It has strengthened, I am sure, our collective building for nation building and our collective resolve for nation building, and it definitely has brought new hope to 1.2 billion Indians. You're holding this summit in Indore is a definite message that you value commerce, and Madhya Pradesh is a central province. But I want to assure you today, having seen this, that you are now central in hearts of all investors, and you have won the hearts of Indian as well as international investors, and your 11% growth, Shivraj Ji, is only a beginning. I think that with the vision and determination and the potential that you have, and with the motivation that I have seen that you have done with all your administrative machinery, the entire government of Madhya Pradesh, it is for all our activities. It is a pleasure to be in Madhya Pradesh, and I salute your efforts. I thank the government and the bureaucracy really for changing and dealing with investors, investment and business in a very differential way. Ladies and gentlemen, for me, Reliance is more than a business. It stands for a commitment to India. We are dedicated to making India and also Madhya Pradesh one of the most prosperous and developed areas in the world. Through our initiatives in energy, retail, digital technology and philanthropy, we are investing in both our energy and consumer-facing businesses. We are in the midst of a major investment program in Madhya Pradesh, which ends in the next 18 months. We are investing cumulatively 20,000 crores, and this will end in 2 years, and we will then re-engage. Our major investment is in coal bed methane, which is really bringing energy with technology from the ground, energy that saves our country thousands of crores of foreign exchange. Like Kishore, we are also investing in the retail business, and we have over 400,000 square feet of retail space in all towns of Madhya Pradesh and employ over 15,000 people at present. We are being big believers that the world is undergoing a change and our young people can be at par with the world with creating the digital infrastructure. Digital infrastructure empowers and equalizes every citizen. In the spirit of your push, Honorable Chief Minister, and what your state government has done for us, I can tell you that we are now more than 75% done in terms of building a world-class digital infrastructure which will connect about 65 million people. आपके 7.5 करोड़ से 6.5 करोड़ लोगों को जो पूरी दुनिया में सबसे बेस्ट डिजिटल हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होगा, वो will be available by the middle of 2015, in another 10 months from now. And you can look forward to Madhya Pradesh being the digital capital of India. I firmly believe that in today's world, to change our education for youth, to change our health care, to change our government services, to change the financial infrastructure, digitization is a prerequisite. And to my mind, digitization also creates more jobs. So we look forward to working with the people and the small businesses of Madhya Pradesh in achieving this. Development and progress has to be inclusive and has always been a motto of Reliance. It should pull together all sections of society. Reliance is already playing a role in Madhya Pradesh's transformation and now for really the last 5 years we've been working very quietly through the Reliance Foundation. Our Prime Minister mentioned organic farming. I just want to let you know, sir, that in our own humble way, the Reliance Foundation has been working with 50,000 farmers in more than 15 of some of your most backward districts to really promote organic farming. Through these activities, we are committed to forge a very deep and cherished bond with all the people of Madhya Pradesh. We have gathered here today to partner in the promise of India and all its states. I firmly believe that a new India will be built on the foundation of collaboration, not competition. The partnerships forged today will usher in a new era, not only for Madhya Pradesh, but for India and the whole world. And as Reliance, Honorable Chief Minister, I commit to you that we will not only double our investments in India. I think it is very rarely that, I had Shivraj Singh ji phone me, and when the Chief Minister phones me, I get worried in terms of this, but he said, Mukesh ji, you should think much more of Madhya Pradesh, and I want you to double your investment in Madhya Pradesh. I take whatever you say to me very seriously, sir, and I can assure you that as Reliance, we will stand fully behind not only Madhya Pradesh in terms of investment, but we believe that the next wave of businesses is really to forge partnership with small businesses to create and support and enable local entrepreneurs in the state and to enable them to grow. And that will be a business model that I assure you. So, Shivraj Singh ji, I want to say, Madhya Pradesh is Mera Pradesh. You can rest sure of my support. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We really appreciate your kind words and sharing your vision for being a partner in success and growth story of Madhya Pradesh.